nice person?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Okay, you guys, so you got a sense of humor.
No.
Okay. Okay then. So tell me, do you actually kill people?
Yes.
Like, did you kill Dead Silence?
Yes.
Did he kill you?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. So tell me, how long have you been a serial killer?
18 years.
Cool. And one last question. When is your birthday?
That's classified. That's classified information.
Okay then.